Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you can understand what is REST controller. REST controller annotation is used to handle REST APIs and also creates RESTful web services using Spring MVC. It is equivalent to controller and response body annotations. REST controller annotation is responsible for handling HTTP requests like a get request, post request, put request, and delete request, and etc. And also returning Java object as XML or JSON formats without extra configuration. And it will act as endpoint for client to server communication. Okay, let's move to STSID to understand more about REST controller annotation. Open the application, open src in Java. Let me create one class under controller package, that is welcome controller. Welcome controller. I want to mark this class as Spring in by using @controller annotation. Implementing one simple method, public string welcome return welcome to Spring annotations. So I'm using @request mapping annotation. To declare base URL, I will use request mapping annotation at class level /welcome. Here I'm using @response body annotation. This response body annotation is responsible to convert the response into JSON format. Okay, let's start the application. URL is http://localhost:, port number is 8080 / this is base URL welcome / this is specific method endpoint. Copy. Let's copy this URL. Go to browser, paste here, hit enter. See, welcome to Spring annotations. See, instead of writing these two annotations, simply we will use @REST controller annotation. I'm commenting these annotations. I'm using @REST controller annotation. REST controller. Here I'm changing something. Welcome to Spring Boot annotations. Save. Go to browser. Click on refresh button. See, this is the response. Instead of writing these two annotations, we will use @REST controller annotation. Let's go inside REST controller annotation. This annotation is available since 4.0.1. REST controller is a combination of response body and controller. This is all about @REST controller annotation. Okay, I will see you in the next video.